Imagine this. You're about to have a life-changing surgery. You lie down on the operating table, and when the lights come on, you see a series of gleaming robotic arms instead of a surgeon. This robot is programmed to perform the operation with perfect precision. Without making a single human error, would you be able to trust it? This video is about a topic that was once only science. Fiction, the rise of AI-powered surgeons. They are already in operating rooms. But are we ready to fully trust them? This is not just a medical revolution, but a philosophical inquiry into trust, ethics, and what it means to be human. Get ready? Because on Unlocking AI, we will examine one of humanity's biggest ethical dilemmas. Part 1. Today's AI surgeon. How far has reality come? AI surgeons have been with us for much longer than you might think. One of the most well-known examples is the Vinci surgical system. This robotic surgeon is already being used in thousands of operations in hospitals. But there is an important detail here. The Vinci is not fully autonomous. It is a tool designed to execute a human expert's precise commands. So what do? Superhuman precision. Robotic arms can make movements with a level of precision that a human hand cannot, as they do not tremble and do not tire. This means smaller incisions, less blood loss, and faster recovery times for patients. Advanced imaging AI expands the surgeon's field of vision with 3D cameras and magnification features. It helps them capture details that the human eye might miss. In short, today's AI surgeons are like a super strong and super precise tool. But the brain and heart still belong to a human surgeon. Part 2. Tomorrow's AI surgeon, a fully autonomous future. The real question begins when AI becomes fully autonomous. In the future, will an AI be able to perform an operation without human supervision? This idea offers us both incredible potential and deep-seated fear. Potential: perfect success rate. In theory, an AI could perform every surgery perfectly. Human factors like fatigue, stress, and emotional state would be eliminated. Rapid learning: an AI surgeon could analyze all the world's surgical data in seconds, becoming better with every new case. Fear: unexpected situations. If an unexpected situation arises, during a surgery for example, an unexpected bleeding site or a vessel with an unusual anatomy, will the AI act on intuition or will it stick to what it was programmed to do? The greatest strength of human surgeons is their ability to adapt to uncertainty. Liability: if an AI makes a mistake, who will be held responsible? The engineer who wrote the code? The hospital that approved it? Or the artificial intelligence itself? This is a dilemma that will change the legal system from the ground up. This situation forces us to ask the most fundamental question. About the reliability of artificial intelligence, can we trust a robot? Trust is not just about how well something works. Trust is an emotion. Even if a human surgeon makes a mistake, we trust their good intentions and experience. We talk to them, we ask them questions. This emotional connection cannot be built with a robot. Empathy and communication: an AI not explain the risks of surgery to you or give you encouragement for your post-surgery recovery on the operating table. No algorithm can replicate the warmth of a hand holding yours to give you confidence. Ultimately, artificial intelligence can advance humanity in the field of medicine. However, every technological advancement requires us to pay a price. In this case, the price we will pay may be our belief in the indispensability of the human touch. So, what about you? If an AI surgeon had a 99.9% success rate in a surgery, and an experienced human surgeon had a 99.5% success rate, which one would you choose? A machine with a zero error risk, or a human with the potential to make mistakes, but with intuition and empathy? This is not a simple question of numbers. It's a question about trust and what it means to be human. When a human surgeon operates, we are not just entrusting our bodies to their skill. We are entrusting our lives to their judgment, their experience, and their humanity. We know they feel the weight of their responsibility. Can an algorithm truly feel that weight? If something goes wrong, can we look into the AI's circuits and find accountability? The core of our trust, deep down, is rooted in the human connection. We find comfort in the fact that another person, another consciousness, is fighting for our lives. Yet, logic tells us to choose the machine with the higher success rate. The AI is not afraid. It does not get tired. It does not get distracted. It's the perfect tool for a perfect job. But by choosing the machine, are we giving up something fundamental? Are we admitting that in the most critical moments of our existence, we are better off without a fellow human? This dilemma is the cornerstone of our future. Relationship with AI, it's a choice between cold, perfect efficiency, and fallible, warm humanity. It's a choice we will all have to make sooner than we think. Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the perfect machine or the imperfect human? Don't forget to like the video and join our conversation about the future.